You talk too much about your plans, your goals, your next move, and it feels good in the moment. But notice this: nothing happens after. No progress, no execution, because you already got the satisfaction from talking. Niccolo Machiavelli believed, keep your intentions hidden. Not everyone needs to know what you're building, because the more you reveal, the more you lose control. Attention changes things. Energy shifts. So move in silence. Let results speak, because power grows in privacy, not in announcements.